Welcome to EcoPlants. In today video we will show you how to grow cluster bean right at home in pot or grow bag. This is a nutrition fiber rich vegetable that grow quickly and need very little space. Let's grow started. Why grow cluster bean at home? Because it's very easy to grow in little space and grow faster and give good yield. Rich in protein and fiber, help improve soil fertility. Soil fertility is a legume crop, chemical free and organic harvest. What you need for grow cluster bean seed, available online or a seed store. Pot or grow bag, minimum 12-inch deep, minimum size is 12-inch deep. Well draining soil or potting mix, compost or cow dung manure, watering can and sunny spot like 6 to 8 hours sunlight of daily. Step by step how to grow cluster bean. Step first is prepare the pot and soil. Use a pot with drainage hole. Soil mix 50% garden soil plus 30% compost plus 20% sand and coco peat. Fill the pot leaving 2 to 3 inch from the top. Step second is sowing the seeds. Soak seed in water for 6 to 8 hours before sowing. Sow seed 1 inch deep and 3 to 4 inch apart, covered lightly with soil and water gently. Best time to grow is spring to early monsoon, March to August, and need full sunlight at least 6 to 8 hours of daily. Grow well in warm and dry weather. Watering tips: keep the soil slightly moist until seed germination. Water 2 to 3 times a week or when the topsoil feels dry. Avoid overwatering. Cluster bean don't like soggy roads. Growth and harvest timeline: first week seed sprout and second to third week plant grow bushy and green, and 5 to 6 week flower appear, and 2 month pod start forming, and 60 to 75 days pod ready to harvest. Add compost every 20 to 30 days and use neem spray if pest like aphid appear. Remove weed around the plant base. Provide a light support if plant get heavy with pods. Harvest regularly to encourage more growth. When to harvest cluster bean: harvest when pods are green, soft and about 4 to 5 inch long. Don't wait too long. Older pod become hard and fibrous. Use scissor or gently pinch off the pods. Grow in rotation to improve soil fertility. Pair with other vegetables like tomato or spinach, and save a pod for seed at the end of the season. Ideal for beginner who want quick grow veggie. And growing cluster bean at home is simple, fast and give you a healthy harvest within 2 months. With just a little care and sunlight, you can enjoy your homegrown cluster bean straight from your garden to the plates. If you like this video, give it a like, share with your friends and subscribe to EcoPlants for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.